This is the Anime Weekly 1. This is your host, Zero. And personally, Volume 4 of Blackbird. Blackbird, Volume 4. Blackbird is kind of like a lovey story, but the girl, the blonde-headed girl, or white-headed girl, whatever the hell you want to call her name, she's in high school, and then she figures out she's a prince, a queen of the undead, I think the dead or something. 500 years it has passed, and another newborn shows up. Shows up with a gift or something. Let me read the back of it. Yeah, it is kind of like 500 years. And it is kind of like a funny book. Some points it ain't. Some points it's like serious. Oh, and I'm also in my mom's room, so yeah. Sorry. So Blackbird is kind of like a serious but more hilarious book. But it's it's focused on two people in between. One's in love with the girl, and the other one just wants to have nothing to do with him. Period. Like, just has no ever, like, besides a few other, like, 2 or 3 volumes before I've read those ones, and now the third one. Yeah, it is a classic book. It's about betrayal, finding friends, and pretty much that's it. Some parts are really, really into it, like serious into it, like love, friendship, chaos, betrayal. It's all in this book. It's sweet, very crazy book, but you have to read the first 3 volumes until you get volume 4. So that's my review on Blackbird. I hope you guys check out the rest and subscribe, comment, and rate, I guess. Right, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever the case may be. I really don't care. So this is Anime Weekly 1. This is your host Zero. Signing off now.